is such a car. Umba, you are sleeping. I beg you, watching a man.
Listen now, what kind of nonsense is that now? Will you be poor and be a witch at the same time?
Yeah, you are very stupid. Oh, so no, you are sleeping now. You are sleeping. You have not sold anything and you are sleeping. In no sense, you don't have sense.
How much this thing they pay you? How much they make for this thing daily? Talk true. You can't me that you will not be flogging me because of this thing. You know the kind of dream I was having. With my millionaire husband in my mansion, big mansion. I have cars, I have servants, people serving me everywhere. Mom.
Close that your mouth before you expose your stupidity. What's the point before I use one dirty slap and slap stupidity out of that your brain? You are mad. You are very stupid. I can say that your malaria has graduated into acute one. It has started chopping your brain. In fact, what you need now is conquer mixture. Yeah, mix or the conk. In fact, you need a mixture of bubonise and abonde Yoruba so that they will cure your stupidity and more fortunate people.
Do you know what it's just to you? It's just that you are looking down on me because I am here with you. You don't know that I have my own future? I have my own future. Please leave me alone.
Hey, Onye meremi ha. Onye can measure age wage rano fear we pomoko. Onye can measure who did I offend? Age rigo ha. In fact, they have used your brain to do abacha. Owe di hemada na akota. Just look at you. You are useless. I knew it. Right from the day I gave birth to you, and you cried that evil cry when you were coming out. I knew you were going to be useless. You are settled now. Mpama. That is what you are. Mpama.
I will not just blame you because I've seen that you are both poor and blind spiritually. So your business is drawing me back, both spiritually, physically, emotionally. If I think that I'm not tired of this shop, I'm lying. I swear. This shop is just smelling poverty everywhere and it's dragging me back. Allow me to go out there and know what I'm doing with my life. Let me go and meet my destiny helper, I beg. Please, let me not drown in poverty. Please.
Hunger will just kill you. If you're too heavy, hunger will... That's... Hunger got figure. I don't blame you. I named you UTONWA, now you are thinking highly of yourself. Okay? See, I named you UTONWA. I only named you UTONWA out of faith. Yes, so that I will know if God will pity me. And change my life through you. By faith. Ineko. Now look at you. Just look at what you are saying.
You are tying me down.
Tying Onye down. I'm going to tie them down. Because of you are not married. Customer, how are you?
Fine, ma.
What do you want?
Mama, 300, pap 200.
Oh, so bad.
So you don't want sugar and milk. You don't want sugar.
Sugar and milk. Wow, in this economy, I don't want sugar and milk.
Eh? Mama, did you hear her? You don't want sugar and milk.
Close that your mouth. Close that your long mouth.
What's in the economy do you? Not only you suffer pass. Not only they carry the country for head, I mean, not only you did the country.
You don't close your mouth.
Okay. Now what? Scan your poverty customers, eh? Yeah. I'm going to take only milk now, at least protein, I mean, vitamin. Make it there your body, no?
I mean, you dash me.
Yeah. Like shop, like customers. Poverty customers everywhere.
Thank you, ma'am.
Beans woman never disappoints me before. Which kind of thing be all this one?
She know they come now. Let's go tomorrow. Cause I don't
No,
stand tired
don't
now.
wait small. She go pick my call whether she like am or not. Which kind of thing be this?
Mama, is this not that rich customer? The car.
Naim.
Naim, and the car with that.
Waiting. Why you dey ask? Wait first, this woman, you go pick this call. Hey!
Is she alright?
Are you okay? You
No,
okay?
no, I'm feeling dizzy. I want to die.
Okay,
You feel like you want die?
Like I
let's
want to
take her to
She
die.
wants to die.
Yes, please.
You want to go hospital?
Mama, you know I'm not eating.
It's true. She
She
has not eaten.
I need to chop.
Yes, she's supposed to before she go hospital. Hey, Ungwa, what do you want to
Okay,
eat?
what do you want? Should I get a beverage or something?
I
Make
want
it
chicken. Chicken and rice. Big one. I want spaghetti and swallow.
Okay, you want snail?
Yes, I want fish. Catfish.
Catfish? You want Ungwa?
And periwinkle.
And periwinkle? See her.
Okay.
Now what thing she wants?
Okay, fine. So everything she has mentioned, how much is it?
100,000.
No mind na the accident. 50,000. I go run, go buy everything.
Okay. I don't have cash with me. Can I make a transfer? Is it possible?
Yes, transfer to my account.
No, transfer to my own account.
For what
To
now?
open. I have my own account to open.
No. Why?
No, now my own is fast now. No network issue. You send it to my account, you have issue. Like network to delay, but send it to open.
No.
Okay.
Call your account number.
Can I have the account number?
Yes, 70 55 30 no 80.
Thank you so much, customer. I don't buy the things. You be better person, though. Yes, you just get patience. Wait, come make sure I buy everything. Now God, now go bless you. See anything where you put your hand, you go, they go. God go bless you. Don't worry about my daughter. I know her very well. Once I give her this thing and she chop up, she go there okay.
I hope so. I hope so.
No, she go there fine.
Okay.
But customer, I don't understand what thing they happen. Because I know they see you again the way why they see you before. You know they come around again. You sure say everything they okay with you?
Yeah, sure, everything is fine. Just that I've been indoors mostly these days. Why? Because I fired my security man. That boy was misbehaving. So I was left with no other alternative but to just fire him.
Hey!
So I've been indoors now until I find someone else to take his place.
And you know, say these days, the kind eye where everybody don't tear. For you to get better person where you go trust, where go stand for your gate, they take care of you and your properties. In fact, you go get connection to get that kind of person. I dey tell you.
Yes, and it's not as if this person has so much to do. What I need is just somebody who will close and open the gate for me. Somebody who will not let strangers walk into my compound. That's it.
Ogu?
That's it.
Na small work be that now. Woman feel run am, I dey tell you. Woman feel run am. Nothing dey there.
A woman? I'm not sure.
Now if you say you don't know the kind of women where they born these days. See, make I tell you, never hear of the talk say anything where man fit do, woman fit do and pass. I dey tell you, woman fit run am na small thing, not be to stand for gate. They make sure say person know,
Well,
woman fit do am.
you might be right. Never can tell, you might be right.
Now where you don't agree, say woman fit do am. Give that job to my daughter. She go do am well. That my daughter, na okri ordinary one. She no dey fear anybody. She no dey fear face. She dey very brave. In fact, for this whole place, she dey very popular. So anybody wey carry something bad for mind come that your gate. Once they see am, then go mellow because they too like am.
Okay, so Madam Charity, which of your daughter are we talking about?
Now only one child I get. I know why you dey ask me this question. Forget that thing. That girl dey very tall inside, and they tell you. She no dey fear anything. Cockroach, mosquito, they no fit pass am. No be pikin wey I train. See, she no go even collect too much money. Wait, how much you want pay first? one trash. Chip for the case, yeah? Or he what you mean? Which balance?
Mama, don't even tell me that. Don't give me story because it's my husband that gave me that money. Where's my balance?
Are you mad? You that is talking. Have you paid for anything that you have eaten here? My friend, go and bring chair for me. Listen, if you don't bring that chair, I will not tell you the good news that I want to tell you. And you see this good news? Hey, it will bring us more money and more connection. So if you like, don't go and bring the chair. That's how you will miss one big news now because of your stubbornness. Hey, look what? Hey. Anyway, let me tell you. You see that man? That man that we played that accident trick on.
He? Ah! I knew it. Oh my God! My dream would not come to pass. I know, Mama. I knew it. You know that I used to tell you that I'm a spiritual woman, but you will not believe me. You will never believe me. Don't worry.
So, if they ask you now why you are shining your teeth now, what will you say? Why you not even allow me to finish?
Mama,
why are you excited?
Finish. You don't need to finish. What I saw in my dream has come to pass. Don't worry. You don't need to tell me. Okay?
That's your malaria dream.
You don't need to
My friend, sit down. Let me tell you what I want to tell you now. No, Anna. You see that man?
You want to just
come and sit down, no. See, that man said he is looking for a security officer. Yes, he wants somebody to be doing security work for him. If you see how I packaged you, I packaged Pronganya. I told him that he will never get a more befitting security officer than you. I told him that I told him that with you, he is safe. Now listen, he agreed to hire you. Not only is the money very fantastic, the pay is very good. If you start working for him, you start meeting all those his rich friends. And you know what it means? They'll be dropping tips for you. When they are coming in, or when they are going out, or get something. Now, when you add all those tips and then add it to your pay, I can try. Yeah, I tried, Abby. What is this one? Meaning what?
Monster.
Good morning. Please sit.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome to my house. So, are you sure you can do this job? Don't you think it might be so taxing for you?
So, sir, I know that this is what you ask me when I come, but that one is not a problem at all. Just leave that one for me. I'm capable. Right from when they gave birth to me, I already know that, oh, this is my calling, this is my work. And I took it upon myself and said that I am going to make it in this security personnel team. In fact, I already told myself that if I'm working here, that you are going to promote me with the way I work. Don't worry, just trust me, trust the process. You're going to like it.
You are a smart girl. Hopefully you can do this job.
Thank you, sir. I'm not only smart, I am strong. I am capable, I have strength. Forget the size, oh. Forget anything. No. Let me take you to the story of the Bible. You know David in the Bible. What happened to David? David went from a shepherd boy to becoming a very strong man in the Bible. What of Daniel? Daniel from lion's den. They put him inside a comfortable place, like someone that is very sweet and suitable for him. What about the other one that his brother sold as slave? What happened to him? Now he's one of the biggest men in Egypt. So trust me, I got you. Maybe from this small gate man work now, you just promote me to another thing. You never can tell.
It's fine. I like your humor.
You like my humor. I never call you like my humor. Don't worry, very soon you will like me entirely. Trust me. Thank you, sir. Thank you for liking my humor. It's not easy.
Okay. I will introduce you to the rest of the staff later.
Alright, sir.
For now, you need to go to your duty post, check the security house for anything that you'll be needing. If there's another thing that you need that's not there, please do not hesitate to let me know.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I will do that, sir.
Alright,
sir. Okay, let me introduce myself again to you. My name is UTONWA, Sugar Baby. I'm very calm, I'm very fun to be with, I'm very fun, I'm very happy, I'm very, everything good. So just when you are free with me, you are free. Anything you need, come and relate with me. I'm somebody that is fun to be with. You are free to ask me anything, you are free to come and tell me anything, you are free to relate with me. I'm always there for you. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, sir.
$100, but I can give you 200.
The sweets.
You don't already finish, so you get luck, say you come now.
Give me 200 naira.
Doing this akara business without UTONWA could be very difficult too. Eh? But at least that's her job. Go make me, I go the fit go Obiora house or anyhow I like. Eh? I fit even ask Mr. Obiora for small money. Make he take help me for my business. Even if he mean make I use UTONWA do collateral. Eh? Hey! Enokwa. Now I don't get big man connection. Very soon, I go stop this akara business. Find better business wey go be beneficial to me.
Oh, please sit. Thank you. I believe you both have met our new security.
Yes, we have, sir. Yes, we have. But sir, if I may ask, can she handle this? From her looks and size, she does not seem fit for this job.
It's not about looks and size. She is fit for this job. And from what I have gathered, she's very popular in this area. Everybody knows her. So I think I need her. With that, criminals will find it very difficult to come around. Or don't you think so?
Sir, I think that girl looks like a child. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that I don't think she can handle the job. I'm just saying.
She's not a child. You all need to help her and make the job very easy for her. Let's see how it goes.
Sir, if you're finding it difficult to find one, I could help you. I could easily make inquiries and contact someone for you.
Yes.
Frank, what happened to the ones that you found in the past? You keep bringing criminals to me in the name of security. Do not make me remember something that I'm trying so hard to forget.
I'm sorry about that.
Sorry for yourself now. Leave. Get out.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. What are we going to do about security? Or should I say that thing over the gates?
My love, I don't think there is any cause to worry. I will handle this girl, okay? She will leave in no time. Stop stressing yourself about this girl, please.
Are you sure? Or do you have any plans of sending her away? Or you're just imagining that she cannot cope? Just let me know.
I will frustrate her till she leaves this house. I can't allow her to spoil things for us now. You know how we've worked tirelessly to get to this stage. So it will not work. It won't.
I hope it works. Because I'm looking forward for us to finish our mission here. So we can leave at once. You know everything, right?
I know, baby. Trust me, okay? I will do everything humanly possible to make sure she leaves this house in no time. That girl, she's just a rat, for Christ's sake. You don't need to be worried or scared about her. Huh?
Are you sure?
I'm sure, Jerry. Come here. She's just a small rat. You allow this person to bother you.
I'll protect you with everything in me. Try guide you with every strength I have.
Hey, don't worry. I'm trying to, assume my responsibility, my position, my everything. I'm trying to, fit in.
And who told you can make use of this? Where did you get it from?
I got it from that get my house. Nah, that's yeah. Don't worry, I can handle it. I'm very capable. I can handle it. This is small compared to what I used to carry. It's very small. I can handle it. Don't worry. Hey, who is there? Who are you? What do you want?
What's going on here? Frank, let me officially introduce to you our new security. Her name is UTONWA.
Yes. My name is UTONWA, meaning sugar baby, sweet girl. I'm the new security personnel in this place. So who are you? May I know you?
New security?
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Frank.
Frank is my site manager and he lives here with me.
Your site manager.
Yes, absolutely.
And he's looking like a Conwa boy. Boy. Why? Well, it's okay. Let me just go back to my post. No, I'm not biting. No one.
Sir, it's everything all right?
Yeah, sure, I'm fine. Please sit.
I'll protect you with everything in me. Try guide you with every strength I have. Nobody go fit to do you harm more. Try wonder my watch and know you are safe. May nobody joke with my.
Frank, what is it again? Sit.
Thank you, sir.
What's happening? What is it? Why are you back?
Sir, even after the introduction and everything, I've been so restless. My spirit does not suit well with this girl. And sir, you know I am concerned about your safety and well-being. I care about you, sir, so it gives me trouble to see all this.
Thanks for the care. I so much appreciate. But I'm still the boss, and my decision on her stands.
You're right about that, sir. But sir, considering the fact that she's handling a gun, sir, just look at her size. It is not even safe for her to handle that gun. Sir, please, I need you to look into this and see from my own perspective.
About the gun? Yes, I'm still thinking about it. About she being the security. I want her to start getting used to it because there's nothing you or anyone else can do about it.
You're right, sir. You have the final say.
Please, you can leave.
Thank you very much, sir. You know, the last security we had was shot in cold blood by armed robbers. You know, my boss is a rich man and it attracts lots of bad persons. And we are bothered about your innocent daughter. That is why we are here.
Ma, we know that you need this money, but your daughter's life is in danger. That's why we are here.
God no go gree. Nothing go happen to my daughter. E no go work. But Mr. Obiora tell me say na sack the last security man wey dey there. Why una two come here come dey tell me a different version of the story? I no understand.
Ma, you know Mr. Obiora is a very coded man. He wouldn't want to disclose this to an outsider. And we're just trying to protect your daughter because we love and care for her.
Exactly. Ma, if you love your daughter, please, you have to stop her from working there. Oh, ma can do ya.
So, if all these things they happen for that house, why una two still dey work for there? Abi una no value una own lives? Life no dey sweet una.
No, it's just...
Ma, you know we are always inside.
Yes.
And she's always at the gate.
Exactly.
You know what that means? Please, you have to do something, eh?
It's okay. I don't hear una. Una make una come dey go. Una don't try. Una don't try well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma. Mana make one shot na. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
I know say Mr. Obiora no fit lie to me about this. A lie. Moreover, this place too small now. This town dey very small. If anything like that happen, we for don't hear am. So why they come dey lie? Na him I no understand. Why did they lie? Eh? Wetin be their gain?
Utonwa sugar girl, na na na. Utonwa sugar oh. Cheche, Utonwa no dey take any nonsense. But Utonwa na dreamer. Waiting the hungry me no dey market. Che, mechem Utonwa batago I dey everywhere, chief security officer. If you dey misbehave, Utonwa go catch you. Everybody on guard, because Utonwa dey for house.
Is something wrong with your words?
Who are you?
And if I may ask, why is the security? Are you the security?
What are you looking for? Hey, hello. What are you looking for?
Why haven't you opened the gate since?
Why did that what? What are you looking for?
Why haven't you opened the gate since? My taxi has been on in all through for over 30 minutes.
You have been knocking. What happened now? You have been knocking. Did you die? As you knock, I don't open the. Did you die?
Are you okay?
Did you die? Yeah, are you okay? Don't question me in my territory.
I don't blame you. I blame Obiora. Just get out of my before.
Come back here. I'm talking to you.
Are you serious? Hey, God.
I'm talking to you. Don't focus on me without my final clearance. You moved it. You opened this gate. I entered this compound without my own cost. Are you okay? Come and consent.
I blame Obiora for employing a teen like you as a security personnel. Nonsense.
Who are you?
If you
can play with you. Who are you? In fact, don't move. You move, I shoot you. Remain there.
Obiora!
Ass up. Ass up!
Don't point that gun at
Drop
me.
that phone. Drop it.
Do not.
Drop that
Do
phone.
not point that gun.
I said ass up.
Can you drop it?
Anything you say we use against you now.
Drop it.
Drop it. Ass up.
I told you my woman is coming to the house today. Why do you refuse to open the gate for her? And why do you have to chase her with this gun?
What's she doing? Is she normal at all? Is this thing normal? What's this?
Sorry, sir. Pardon my manners, sir. Just that me, I did not see anybody at that gate. I did not see anybody. The only person I saw there is agent of destruction. Somebody that is there to destroy you, distract you from concentrating on building your family, your future wife, your future everything. This person is there to destroy you.
Obiora! Can you hear her? I can't take this thing. I can't take it.
Stop pointing me.
Will you shut up? I'm talking to you. Shut the hell up.
Go now.
Obi.
My mama never died.
One more word from you, I promise you will lose your job. I'm not joking.
Just like that. Just want to fire me. Ha. You never rich now. We just dey play.
Wait. Are you going to retain her after the nonsense she just did to me, Obiora? You still want to retain her?
I not say normally you tell me say your girl dey come. I just dey whine you and your girl. Just dey play, you understand? Auntie, calm down. You be fine, auntie. Fine people no suppose dey vex. Fine woman, shape like figure 8. Look at that. Yeah, you fine, well. Forget all this my bad mouth too. I just dey. You know say sometimes all this gate man work. If they make person dey comot sense anyhow. So I need somebody to talk to, understand? Sorry, I just dey vex.
UTONWA,
Sir.
please leave.
Wait. What did I just hear you call her? Oton?
Not Uto, like O-T-O, UTONWA. It means sweet baby. Somebody that is sweet, somebody that is fun to be with, somebody that is happy, somebody that is joyous, somebody that is like everything good. Yeah, great, Uto baby. Sweet baby, that's the meaning.
Was your parent normal when they named you that name? Were they okay? Were they on cheap colors?
Hey, no go there, I beg. Don't insult me. That one I will not take from you. Don't ever insult me in your life. In fact, don't even insult my parents' joy. Because you go get the craze in me. And the craze, yeah? I beg, no go there. Sir, sorry, sir. But no insult me. Don't try it. I will face you again.
You just shut up.
You too.
UTONWA, just leave.
Obio, I'll protect you with everything in me. Obio, guide you with every strength I have.
Just leave already and get this off my face.
Can you imagine?
You have to choose between me and her. Who stays and who leaves?
Because I know they use and play. Now my person.
I'm not actually looking for rock.
What is going on here, John?
And why are you looking for me?
Get the just Yawanya. Nya chinchi wara fuolo tapura tamamere. You are very stupid. Is that how you're supposed to greet me? Are you not supposed to greet me? Am I your mate? I'm asking you, am I your mate? Hey! I can see that you are looking for Charity's problem. Be careful of what you are wishing for. Be very careful because Charity's problem is huge. And I am ready to give it to anybody, anyhow, anywhere. And the Otobu no Sichia.
Ijoma, what is she talking about? Why is she even here? Who opened the door for this mad dog to come in? Who did?
I don't know.
Why? Why did you open my door for her to enter? Yes, who are you?
You call me a mad dog. I don't blame you. So because Obiora is using you to cure his country, your mind is not telling you that you're the madam of the house. And your mind is telling you that you are important. You are feeling like a demi-goddess. Now for what? Instead of hiding your fornicating and sinful face in shame, you have the guts to call me a mad dog. You are very stupid.
Ijoma, I am losing my patience. Take her out of this house.
Madam, you have to be that's if I as much as smell you. If I smell this your odor again, if you come close here, I will tear you to pieces. And you, frustrated goat, how dare you? How dare you insult my daughter? Look at you. At your age, I'm going to let me tell you, I'm not fear Chineke Bruno. Look at who is insulting somebody. Do you have a mirror in this house? Because if you have a mirror and you have looked at yourself, shame will not allow you to have an opinion concerning my daughter. You not rich. So let me sound it as a note of warning. The next time you try it, the next time you insult my daughter, or use unkind words on her, or even as much as look at her in a very funny way, I will make sure you leave this place naked.
Look at this useless village never do well. You think I didn't hear about you? You think I did not hear about you and UTONWA's father? How it started and how it ended. Wow. Now tell us, where is our father? Where is our father? You are here ranting and shouting on top of your voice because you are a village tout. Hey. If you don't get out of my sight and out of this house, I will lose it and you will not like it. Hey! What is this?
This useless woman at 110. No! That's a 1. Charity 0. Never.
Are you still here? Leave my house.
You are a bombastic element. Yes, that is what you are. You are a frustrated old woman. Agadio Kwenka. Agadiwani baby. Ochetara powder nobody. Old layer. That is what you are. And that is what is frustrating you. You know that Obiora will never marry you. Omeme Bobulisi. Bobulisi near glasses. Because even from where I'm standing, I can perceive your menopause. It is rushing fast.
Between me and you.
But you know he will not marry you, and that is why you want to vent your frustration on my poor innocent child. Don't try me.
Between me and you.
Look at who is talking about
Between me and you, who is frustrated? Because you are a frustrated old woman standing here sweating and your scarf is off your head and you are blue scarf and you're shouting.
I agree. I am an old woman, but I have achieved something. I have a child. Get the key way. At menopause, you don't have anything to show for it. That is why you are frustrated. That is why you are going to
leave my house. Leave my house. Leave. Don't let me change it for you, madam. Just get out.
You don't need to tell me 2 times. Only the order coming from you. It is enough to push me out. It is enough to
get out.
I'm not running away from you.
Get out. Don't let me lose it.
I will give you a jacket.
Don't let me lose it.
Foolish goat.
Don't let me lose it.
The next time my daughter complains.
It's your mouth you're waiting for.
I will leave when I want to leave. I said, come and leave.
Do not do that.
What do you want to do? Will you please leave?
Can you please leave? Please.
Don't touch my bag.
Leave my house.
Don't touch my house. Don't touch my bag. Don't touch my bag. That is what I said.
How dare you bring that madman to me? Are you crazy? Do you have sense at all?
She insisted she must see you, and she pushed her way through.
Why did you push her? Push her! Are you daft? Can't you use your sense?
I never knew she was there to make trouble since she's UTONWA's mother.
The next time you make this mistake, the next time you try this, I will skin you alive. Did you get that? Did you get that? Rubbish.
Please, stop crying, okay? It hurts to see you this way. Please, I beg you.
What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? She slapped me for no reason.
I'm so sorry. Please, I promise you I will talk to her, okay? And it will never repeat itself, please. I don't like it when you are in this mood.
Please, let's just leave here. Let's leave already, please. We have made enough money. Please, let's leave before things get worse.
Babe.
I beg you.
Please, babe, you just need to be patient, okay? We need to get rid of the securities and everything. Babe, we need to make more money before we leave. I know how you feel.
What if we can't get rid of her? With the way I'm saying this?
Babe,
It's not going to be easy to get rid of her. Please, let's just leave. Let's just leave.
Listen, you need to trust me, okay? You need to believe in me. And we sort this out. I promise you. You trust me, right?
Why don't you travel my allowance? Eh? Why don't you come this house?
What are you doing?
I don't understand. Is this your duty post? Like, why are you here? Are you supposed to be here?
No, I was in my duty post. I just said I was close to the window and I said, let me look inside this parlor and know what's going on, if this place is secure. And I saw the way we are strangling him and you were saying, I want to bomb this, I want to scatter. Why will you scatter the house? I mean, never scatter. Never scatter, I beg you.
Did you see what I've been saying? I don't know why you decide to retain her to continue to work here. Can you please fire her immediately? I can't take it anymore.
UTONWA, as you can see, I'm fine. Nobody's trying to choke me.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, I'm good.
It's not like I'm prognosing, no. You know, I took an oath that I will serve you. I will do everything to protect you, even with my last blood. So that's why I'm trying to make sure you are okay. Oh.
Can you just keep quiet and leave this moment before I skin you alive? What is all this? Go and face your duty post.
Oh,
I think you should get out.
That's giving me order. Let me
Get
go.
out! Please!
Don't stop me. Don't come here. I beg you. Don't go. Don't never go.
UTONWA sugar girl, na na na. UTONWA sugar sugar. Cheche, UTONWA no dey take any nonsense. But UTONWA na dreamer. Waiting there hungry and
I can't see myself. Allow me to let go.
Everywhere, chief security officer.
I can't see myself.
UTONWA go catch you. Everybody on guard.
Hey, you twat! Come on, open these gates for me. I need to step out to pick up something. Are you deaf? I'm talking to you. Come on, open the gates for me.
You're talking to me? What did you say?
I said, come and open the gates for me. I need to step out to pick up something.
What happened to your own hand? Let me see your hand. Are you handicapped? Eh? You cannot open it yourself. Mugu, no open the stand away from me.
If you don't come and open this gate right now, I will make sure you are fired. And I'm serious about it.
Shut up your mouth, auntie. Auntie, shut up your mouth. Your papa no reach that side. Yes, can you talk? See, me I know all these things though. See, me I know all these things though. Then they use you to wait for the main chick. You are just the side chick. They are using you to catch cruise. Use you to wait for the main chick. When the main chick come, you go make way.
You said what?
I
don't blame you. It's just obvious that I am wasting my time to talk to someone who is useless like you.
Eh?
Yes. But the next time you try this with me, you will not like it. Let me just go to where I'm going to.
You are insulting me. Are you mad? You are insulting me.
Hey, Becky, go back here. Your hands. I have been standing there. Are you mad? Old layer. Look at you. Oh, Chetarapad and Ambole. Eh? Oh, you expect my daughter to open gate for you? As what?
As a gate woman.
I did not bring my daughter here to open gate for a thief. Yes, a mad thief. A consequencer. I brought my daughter here to open gate for the owner of the house, not you. How dare you? You are insulting my daughter. If you try it again, I will use you and mop this place.
Madam, you will not keep coming to my house and be insulting me every time you come here. I do not like it.
Everyone will you shut up? If you step out of this place and you are coming back and this gate is locked, my fence. Yes, my gate. My gate. That is where thieves coming from.
Yes.
In Anuya.
Order for order.
I don't blame both of you. like mother, like daughter. You will not keep coming to my house and keep shouting at me every time you come to
Look at the way you are talking to a girl that is old enough to be your grandchild. Eh? Because Emma, who took you? Who are you? I want you money. Who took you?
Energy! Need for energy! Yes. Aura for aura! You will get it hot.
Listen, I did not come here for you. I don't have time. Mba, remember the last time I came, I had time for you. And you know what happened? Today, it's not for you. I came here to have an important discussion with the important person that owns this house. Eh? This one that you are keeping your face like a deity that have not chopped sacrifice since 1940. I don't want you to spoil show for me.
Enough of this insult.
When I am done, you will know.
Enough.
Be my bum. Be my bum.
Mommy,
I know what you can do. Yes. I trust you. Orange, filter.
Yes.
I trust you. I don't know.
No,
Let's go like that.
If you go back here, where are you going to?
Madam Charity, you said you're here for...
To discuss. Let us discuss about hazard allowance. It is allowance that is paid to people that have high-risk job. You know, all are very dangerous. You know, so that it will boost their morale. Every employer has it in their budget. So that is why I am here to ask you. It's not that I'm praying that anything should happen to my daughter. What will happen if anything happens to my daughter? That is what I want to know. How far?
I'm confused. What do you mean?
You're not confusing. What is confusing you? Is it not English sprinkled with Igbo that I just spoke here? You are an educated man, and I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. It is a standard practice. Everybody does it. Every employer must make allowance for this hazard allowance. So since you want me to hit the nail on the head, boy, who's the why the hell? Nah, I'm talking about compensation. Compensation.
Compensation on what exactly?
You know what I'm talking about. Listen, what are you going to compensate me with? It is very simple. Every employer has it in their budget. Asking if anything happens to my daughter, how far?
Oh, I see. So are you praying for something to happen to your daughter so you can be compensated and paid off?
God forbid. How can I say that kind of prayer? Do you know how I suffered in the labor room to give birth to that girl? I cried. But I saw heaven and I came back. Why do you think I'll pray that kind of prayer? But there is something called unforeseen circumstances. Yes! And you see that unforeseen circumstances only may be here. So we have to start tackling it now. That is what I'm asking you. What is your budget in case something happens to my daughter? But if you don't have the budget, no problem. That is why I'm here. So that I can pay one. Put the calculator, kai pick up.
See now, see, my friend rice son.
Hey! I knew it. When did you pray last?
I prayed on Sunday now in church. I prayed on Sunday.
You mean you only pray on Sundays? Maka gini? Maka why? Don't you know Mr. Obio, our boss, is a ritualist? You just dodged a bullet. Yes. Just go and thank your God. Go and give thanksgiving.
Oh wow.
Maybe he wanted to use you for ritual and it failed.
What?
What?
So how do you know?
You were asking me how I know. The news is everywhere.
Wow.
Everybody in this area knows that he's a ritualist. Just that you're in the house. You cannot see it. And that is why I want to resign.
That's why you want to resign?
Yes, any moment.
When do you want to resign?
Any moment from now, I'll be resigning. Why do you ask?
Because I want to take over. So I'll be getting ready. After I resign, I'll be taking over your own position.
You want to take over?
Yes, ma. He's a ritualist, Abby. He's a ritualist. The one that's a ritualist. Hey, you go, me, I'll take over.
I just told you he's a ritualist. You want to take over?
Hey, nah, he's not. He's a ritualist. Am I not the one that wants to take over?
That girl is not a human being. I've never seen anyone like that before. Do you know that after everything I did to scare her, she was not even moved?
You know, we just have to keep trying, okay? I just hope this does not resort to bloodshedding. That is my problem.
Please, though, it will not. Let's just keep trying. Because I cannot stain my hands with anybody's blood. Else I will leave.
I'm so pissed about the whole situation. The boss is desperate to chase her away. I just hope she does not. Yes, I just hope she does not suggest that line.
She should not even try it.
Reduce your voice
She
now.
should not even try it at all. Except she will do it herself. People should count me out. I am not in.
This is a very big issue. I'm just confused right now.
I beg you. Biko Kwano.
Well, it's fine. I will find a solution to this, okay?
You better do.
I will.
You better do.
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire!
Die by fire.
Die by fire!
Die by fire.
Any evil spirit that said I will not grow and marry my Prince Charming, Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Any spirit that said I will not be a grandmother, I will not reach to be a great grandmother, Holy Ghost!
Fire!
Die by what?
Fire! Die by fire!
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Yes! I will not die! I will not die!
Oh, meme!
Ultimate death is not for me!
Hey!
It's not for my family!
Hey!
Ultimate death, run away from us! Any evil people that are planning evil against me and my family!
Anyway!
Hey!
Thunder immediately anywhere
Hey!
for ya!
Hey!
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire!
I will marry and give birth to my children. My children will marry and give birth to their own children. Their own children will marry and give birth to their own children. Generation to generation. Generation to generation. Anybody that will say otherwise.
Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire! Die by fire!
Die by fire.
Obiora, I am talking to you. Obiora, I'm talking to you. Obiora, with everything that woman told you about her daughter, are you telling me you still keep her here working? I think you should fire her immediately.
Really?
Yes.
I kept this to myself since she told me about it. Because I do not want it to get out. I don't like that you confronted UTONWA about this. Do you even know how she might be feeling about it?
How she feels, you say? So you value her own feelings than my feelings? No. Make it make sense. The way you call her name, UTONWA, is there something I need to
Just
know?
stop it!
Stop what?
Stop it already! What do you even take me for?
What do you take me for? I should be asking you, Obiora. Who am I to you? Who am I to you?
Stop insulting me. Else, I'll be left with no other alternative but to do something that you won't like.
What do you want to do, Vera? What do you want to do? I want to see what you want to do. Obiara, come back here. Come and tell me what you want. What? Obiara.
Come here now. Mama, come closer, come.
What are you doing with a gun?
Mama, become me first, become me. One closer, one. Good. So, Mama, Maggie, you. Mama, you are the one that wants to kill my destiny helper, right?
Chiro, hey!
My destiny helper.
You are actually pointing the gun at your mother.
Yes.
You can't be serious.
Mama.
But why would you even say that about me? For what now? You're talking to your mother.
Why are you the weapon for that against my life? Why? You know my story and you want to change my story.
I'm okay now, here.
Yes.
Why would I want to do anything that will cost you harm?
So now that they want to upgrade me, that's why you have to come and change everything. You have to change my story around. You don't want me to achieve what I want to achieve, my dream, my destiny. You don't want me to achieve it again, right?
That thing you are holding is not anybody's fault. You must go after God. This is next in life.
Mama, swear.
Drop!
Swear that you never want to kill me so that they will give you compensation. Swear.
Munka!
Mama, swear.
Why would you even accuse me of a thing like that?
Mama.
Munka!
I don't want to kill you. It's a lie.
You that I love so much.
Mama, it's a lie.
You that I love so much.
So happy she's not coming back. I'm happy everything is going as planned.
Neha, now only God knows the evil when they hear the plan. Madam, see them.
Madam, what's happening now? What is it?
Troublemaker. I'm mother of another troublemaker. That is who you are.
Yes.
Who invited you? Make I tell you something. I know say all on a plan now against my daughter. I know say on a plan make she not come back to work. I know say everything what they do and make una frustrate my daughter, make them sack her from that one. Hey, mana make I tell you something. Jokwane say. Weapon aka when no before I come mad. I don't the one una now because you know say as long as say I die alive, it not gonna fit happen. Una plans go fail. Respect your old age before I apaliagi. Before we insult you. What is all this now? No, insult me. I am here now. Madam. Insult me, make I hear him. If you don't carry your teeth for ground, don't say no.
Madam, what is it now? What is your problem now? Is it because I'm respecting you? I would have dealt with you here. What is all this nonsense? Madam, I will deal with you.
Let me
Leave me alone.
Like daughter, like mother, like daughter. No, come. I'm waiting for you. Put you to okay,
Frank, have you noticed that our security is not around? She left since morning and she's not yet back, which means that we need to look for another alternative, someone else to replace her.
Okay, sir.
So I can find a replacement if you don't mind.
Yeah, close that your dirty mouth. So you want
What is going on here?
I should be asking you that because I don't understand. Yeah? I was the one that came and made the request. Why are you now transferring your anger on my daughter? Why did you now fire her?
I never fired her. I left her and I returned and I was told that she left.
I was very angry. I was very, very angry at my mother because she wanted to sell me because of bag of rice.
What do you mean by that? Bag of rice? Am I that cheap? I wanted big money so that I can live well and enjoy my life. And pay my bills.
So big money now is bigger than your precious child. Your child, big money.
Yes. I thought we have settled this thing.
It's too hard to forget.
Why do you want to bring my leg outside now? Okay, what we are here for is for you to get your job back. Don't spoil it. All I want is for her to get her job back. Finish. Oh, Biko.
It's fine, Madam Charity. Like I said earlier, I never fired her. So of course, she can take her job back if she's willing.
I am willing, sir.
I'm on your phone already willing. She must be willing. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, Biko.
Are you sure this is a good decision?
Yeah? Who is this Aguni? Are you deaf? Did you not hear that she has gotten her job back? You will go no, you will go and wake your great-great-grandmother from the grave to come and take the job. I'm off here.
Fine.
Why didn't you call me? Why are you such a useless fool? You're so useless. You aren't useful at all. What is all this? Eh? You're so useless.
Don't you dare ever lay your filthy hands on her again. Else I will ruin everything. And I'm serious about that.
Oh, Frank. Because of a little thing. Is that it? Huh?
What do you want her to do? She has done everything she's supposed to do. Sacrificed a lot for this cause. But yet, you're not happy.
Frank, because of a woman, you want to jeopardize everything. A woman that I gave you. Hey, I am tired. I'm tired of everything. If you want me to quit, I'll just do that. Stop treating me as if I'm your slave. I am not. What is all this? Hey, this is a conspiracy. It is obvious both of you have conspired together against me.
Nobody conspired against you. We need to do the thing we're supposed to do. Okay?
Simple.
And that is the goal.
Simple.
That is why we're here, not this one you're doing.
Oh, wow.
Hello, somebody in this house. Anybody here?
See, I am not here to make troubles. I am here for peace. Please.
The only thing I'd like to know is where you bought the audacity that you ate before coming to my house, because me too, I would like to buy one for myself.
I'm not here to fight with you. I'm here to make you an offer.
Are you mad? No, are you mad? You fight me in my own house. You can't even think it. Not even in a whisper. Because you know, if you try it, it is your corpse that will leave my house. You know that one very well.
Can't you just talk like a civilized woman? What is wrong with you?
Nanya, the only civilized thing I feel like doing right now is beating you blue and black. Yes! After beating you, then I will now decide to hear the offer that you want to make me. That is when I will decide whether I will take the offer or beat you again and kick you out of my house. You are not mad.
You're just a crazy woman like your daughter.
It's again. What did you just call me?
Anyways, I want to offer you 500,000. I want you to tell your daughter to stop working for my man. I want her to resign.
Hey! Hey! Charity etali weke. Charity, you have suffered. I don't blame you. I know that in your head now you are thinking, oh, she's just a poor akara seller, so 500,000 will be like 5 billion to her. Not so, because that is the only thing that will make you open that to take him out to offer that kind of rubbish to me. Is something wrong with you?
Just tell me it's not enough. Let me increase it. Why you shouting?
You are very stupid. You know I don't blame you. The only thing I blame is home training. Because when went for home training. If not for home training, look at yourself and look at me. Are you finer than me? Are you sexier than me? All it will take is for me to go and get one pin aqua. I will dress up, all my shape and curves will be coming out. And then I'll be flying from one flight to the other, going to meet men, rich men and all that. Let me see where you, Okra Madu, will see me to come and offer this nonsense.
Today will be the last time you open your mouth to insult me. Because if you try this next time, I will deal with you mercilessly. What's all this? Because I came to make you an offer and all you do is to insult me. For what? What's this? Eh? Is this where you're supposed to be?
Who are you to ask me that question? Am I owing you?
I don't understand.
You shut up.
I should shut up?
Yes. Let me talk.
Hey.
Keep quiet. This is my territory. Besides, Oga gave me the license to stay wherever I want to stay in this house. So you don't have any right to question me. So keep quiet.
In fact, you are fired.
Come on.
Get your useless self out of this house this moment.
Who is?
I say you should move.
No, if you touch me, if you talk, I swear to God, I'll change it for you. Are you okay? Are you high? Are you mad? Am I playing? Do I look like I'm playing with you? Eh? See, carry this your bad energy. Carry this your busybody out of my sight because now I'm going to keep. Forget that my name is UTONWA. I have bad side of me. I have very bad side that you don't want me to show you. Do you understand? I am UTONWA, sweet girl, yes, of course. But I also have bad side. Don't let me to use it on you because you hate me.
Why am I even wasting my